Before we start, can we introduce ourselves first? I'm the youngest son of Mary. And this is my brother.
I'm the eldest.
Lumaki po ako sa farm. Makasipin po ng buhay. Hindi po ako dinala ng nanay ko, pero ang tatay ko, lagi mo sa farm.
Kami po yung mga probinsyano at lahing Chinese. Alright. So,
Anyway, you're again, give your message to our mom.
okay.
Okay, Mommy, this is just a short message for you. I appreciate your continued prayers for me and my family, but hopefully you pray for my political career. It is because of your prayer that I'm able to MC this party. Hindi tayo, boy pa. Tonight, well, you may not be perfect mother for me, but I'm grateful to have you who continues to parenting me, even, Bisaya again, even at my current stage in my life. Tatanda ko ito, pinapangaralan pa rin ako ng nanay. Ganun po niya ako kamahal. I hold a deep affection for you and anticipate that you will soon be your neighbors now. My neighbors. I pray for protections against any individual who may indicate or stop me to be your neighbor. But first, I would like to thank the board of directors who allowed me as part of this community. Maraming pong salamat. Of course, from the bottom of my heart, Mami, I will always love you. Hindi ko na po papahabahin, papasa ko naman po kay Paul.
Short message lang, Mami. I took a passage from the Bible, actually. Proverbs chapter 1, verse 8 to 9. Hear, my son, your father's instruction, and forsake not your mother's teaching. For they are a graceful garland for your head and pendants for your neck. I think what's really important in life is to have a relationship with God. And I think my mom is a perfect example. I think a lot of you can attest, even her friends. She goes to church every day. Araw-araw po siya nasa simbahan. And every time po na doon pa ako nakatira sa kanila, every time po na pumupunta ako sa kwarto na, wala po siya ibang ginagawa kundi nagdadasal. I think, para sa akin, growing up, no, syempre we all go through phases in life. And I was considered a lost soul before. If not for my mom's perfect example, I think hindi ako fully convert through Father Jerry Orcos. Special mention, Father Jerry Orcos. At kay Mami. Kasi inspirasyon ko siya because she is our prayer warrior sa lahat ng bagay. So Mom, thank you so much. I love you. And thank you for yung inspiration at yung mga teachings to about God. Until now, nadadala namin. So yun lang po.
And of course, warm applause to my brother. Of course, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. and Mrs. Justice Davide. Chief Justice Davide, our renowned Chief Justice Davide. And Mrs. Alright, thank you for correcting me. Nanay ko po yan. Sir, if you wouldn't mind, sir, if we can request for you or just a short message for my mom po. Ay, dyan naman po kayo.
What a beautiful event tonight. A very blessed celebration of 80 years of happy life. I did not realize that 80 is actually the number of years. So, never forgetting and beyond forgetting. I realized that Myrna simply means my years of memorable experiences today and always. So, Myrna. And my Y is years, R is reflections or memories. Then M is for N is for now, and A is for always. So now and always. 80 years of beautiful experiences. As a mother, as a grandmother, do you already have a great-grand? Not yet. We already have a great-grand. And we have known your most beloved celebrant today, especially for the members of the family, for years already from the time that we started to reside here at the BF Homes. And we value her friendship. Never for a moment did we ever regret becoming a friend of Mirna. So that is the meaning really of a real friendship, where love is where love is the moving force. In like manner that in the family it is the moving force. Love begins in the family and ends in the family of sweet memories. So congratulations as you celebrate your 80th anniversary. I noticed when I started to look at the phone that on this side you have 75, at the middle you have 80. Now I believe that 5 years from now you have the 85 there and the 80 will be there. And after 5 years, will be the movement of every 5 years. And 5 years is very significant. 5 years is very significant because it is of tremendous value for each one of us. Every 5 years is a milestone. And 80 is, imagine, what a milestone. So Gigi and I are very, very happy and proud of you to be our real friends, and it will be forever too. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the very beautiful message from Chief Justice Davide. And if we could hear a little bit of a message from Mrs. Gigi Davide, if you may. If you may be so kind.
I would like to second the words of the Chief Justice. Ano pa ba masabi ko except that Mirna has always been a good friend and she will be a friend to me forever. You know, we are both daily communicants and daily mass goer. You know? Hindi lang yung mami niyo ang nagsisimba. Hindi lang siya ang nagpipray. Ako rin nagpipray ako for my children and my grandchildren. That is what mothers always do. And I think all the mothers in this hall, lahat ng ginagawa natin para sa ating mga anak. So mga prayers yan na walang katapos-tapos na prayers. It's always for the good of the children, for the good of the family, so that now and forever, we are intact. We are just there, holding on together. So to Mirna, keep on holding on together with your children, with your grandchildren, and hopefully with your great-grandchildren. Salamat po.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Commercial model, Don Ducaya. And of course,
Our famous TikToker.
TikToker with millions of followers, Magdalena Fox.
Maraming palakpakan dyan. Kami nandun natin eh. Ayun. Maraming salamat kuya. Maraming salamat. Lexi.
Ayan, magandang po sa inyong lahat. Parang iba yung napuntahan ko, hindi birthday party. Kulang na lang ng kabayo.
Ako yun. Nagpaparinig ka.
Ayan, magandang po sa inyong lahat. At syempre nanay, happy birthday. Hindi ko
Yeah.
alam kung paano natin papalahurin ang gabi ito kasi ang mga respetado, paano ba ito?
Nagulat.
Nagulat ako.
Oo, di ba? Pero anyway, in 80 years na yan, natin.
Sana umabot ako ng ganung edad na tumatambling pa o i-split pa.
Ay, kaya mo yan.
Kaya ko hanggang 80 years old, lalagpasan ko pa.
Kaya hindi mo nakakaalam, si Magdalena Fox po ay may sikat na TikToker na more than 6 million followers na.
Ay, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Paano ako gaganahan? Tatambling ako mamaya. At mula sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, makikita niyong mahahati ang aking katawan.
Correct. At pinagsagan siyang marites ng bayan, di ba? Anyway, hindi ano lang naman, sabihin natin, paano ba tayo nakakilala, di ba? Naging close kami for 2 years na.
Oo, 2 years ang pagkaibigan natin. Siyempre, pareho tayo ata ng ugali. Pareho tayong maganda.
Alam ko yun.
Lamang lang ako.
Okay, mas maganda pa rin ang birthday celebration.
Ay, tinanay. Mas maganda pa rin si nanay ako.
Oo naman.
So, ano gagawin natin ngayon? Meron ba tayong mga parapol, palaro? Meron bang mananalo ng house and lot?
May mag-pepper.
Ay, may mag-paper.
Oo.
Ah,
Ang mag-paper
si Brian
dito
Rela
ay-
ito?
Hindi. Isa sa mga apo ni Manny ang magpe-perform. So ngayon, please be ready. Alexis Children. Ayun, kayo
Ay.
muna. Bigyan naman natin ng
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Ayan, thank you.